just want to say one thing. Thank you.
Positive!
From the bottom of my heart.
Akin yan!
Thank you for making my 21st birthday something I will never forget. To my friends, thank you for laughter, the energy, and for always being there through thick and thin. You made my life a little crazier. And you made me possible. To my titos and titas, especially to Tita Miga, thank you for your guidance and support.
Si Mika naiyak.
For being the second parent to me. Your presence in my life. In so many ways. To my ninong and ninongs, thank you always for being part of my journey. Not just today, but since I was born. Your praise and support mean more than you know. And to my mama, of course, thank you so much for everything you've done for the both of us. To my lolos and lolas, I mean it, always say, but your wisdom and love are treasures I carry with me every day. I'm proud to be your uncle. And to the one very special Lola. The one I lovingly called Mommy. Though you're no longer with us, your love continues to live in me. I feel your presence in the quiet moments. And I know you're smiling down on me tonight. Thank you for loving me deeply, for raising me with warmth and comfort, for being my constant when I needed comfort. Mommy, this celebration is also for you. I carry you with me always. And now, to someone who couldn't be here tonight, but whose presence I have felt in every moment of this celebration. My mom. She's working overseas, sacrificing much for me and my sister. I know how much you wanted to be here. To hold me, to celebrate with me, and to see me turn 21. Mama, wherever you are, I hope you feel my love. I am what I am because of you. I carry your strength, your love, your dreams with me. This night, this milestone, This is for you. And to everyone here, thank you for being part of my life, for your gifts, and for your kind words, and most of all, your love. Cheers to the growth, to gratitude, and to the people who made my life worth celebrating. Enjoy the rest of the night, everyone. Thank you all so much.